Welcome to the latest episode of Renovate Cle. Come on in. I wanted to show you guys the fireplace at unit number 4. Like unit number 5, wanted to create some drama and add some visual appeal to the living room. And here it was all about color, pops of color. Peppercorn is my favorite accent color to use. It's by Keller Williams. And you'll see it throughout the condo as we tour it today. But just adding some extra detail with the wainscoting kind of draws your eye in, makes a more inviting feel, and I think just overall adds some drama to the open space. Let's go check out the master suite. The master features this awesome walk-in closet, perfect for storing all your shoes and clothes and handbags. And then I really wanted you to check out the master bathroom. So this bathroom was super outdated, wallpaper, ugly tile, ugly colors. So took out, put in a really modern vanity with the cultured marble top. And then again, you see the peppercorn as the accent, kind of draws some drama. And the shower, I love the shower. It's a full stand-up shower, subway tile, which is classic, but then the bold accent of the hexagon tile, I think really breaks the monotony up of the subway. And it just adds that extra drama and ties in with the peppercorn on the wall and in the fireplace, so it all makes a cohesive look and design. So like in number 5 with the kitchen here, we took down the wall to open it up, add some additional seating at a peninsula here. Beautiful quartz countertops. Wanted to do something different, so the classic shaker style white on the uppers and did this charcoal on the lowers. I think it just adds some drama and elegance, ties in also with the peppercorn again. And then of course your black stainless steel appliances just really makes it pop. And then the gold accents on the hardware just kind of softens the space, and I think it turned out really great. Let's check out the newly renovated laundry room. Who likes doing laundry? Not many people do, but I thought it'd be fun to transform this laundry room. We put down some graphic tile to kind of make it more lively and bright in here. And just adding counter space for storage and folding clothes. And hopefully the new homeowner will enjoy doing this chore. So upstairs there was this post and it just kind of divided the room, so it made sense to create a third bedroom, add value, and then I have it staged as an office, but there's already a really big closet and a window, and of course who doesn't love barn doors? Thanks for checking out the latest episode of Renovate Cle at 22827 Lake Road, unit number 4 in Rocky River, Ohio. In just 7 short weeks, I made a 35% return on my original investment. Stay tuned for the next one.